Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix DGN Linetypes corrupting your DWG after import using the easy method. This is a great way to scrub away invisible line junk on your current setup session so your files stay lightweight and your drawing tools move fast. Step 1. Open the Hidden Deep Cleanup tool. The first step is to type a special hidden cleanup command into your software bar to open the deep file purge manager that regular cleaning buttons cannot reach. Move your mouse pointer down to the empty typing bar at the very bottom of your screen, type a minus sign followed by the word purge like this, -PURGE, and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Look closely at the typing row at the bottom to see a new line of text options pop up right next to your mouse pointer. Because standard cleanup menus often ignore outside line styles that came from other drafting software, by typing the minus sign first, you tell the system engine that you want to bypass the basic menu windows and unlock the deep, raw file cleaning choices. Without this step, your software will keep hiding the outside junk lines deep inside your computer memory card. Step 2. Select the Orphaned Data Cleaning option. Next, you need to select the specific data group from the text options row that handles empty and broken items left behind by outside files. Look at the prompt choices at the bottom of your screen, find the word that says Orphaned, type the letter O on your keyboard, and press the Enter key. Watch the bottom text display change as the computer prepares to look for any lost or unlinked pieces of lines floating on your background canvas. Because outside files often bring along tiny pieces of invisible text data that have no shapes attached to them, these broken data lines act like heavy dust inside your computer engine, making your drawing tool run slower and slower. Selecting this specific option targets that exact pile of junk text directly without messing up your main drawing layers. Step 3. Audit and repair remaining file errors. The final step is to run a general diagnostic scan on your cleaned workspace to fix any lingering code problems and lock your file into a perfectly stable condition. Click back into your bottom typing row, type the word Audit on your keyboard, press the Enter key, type the letter Y for Yes when it asks if you want to fix errors, and hit Enter. Read the final report text that pops up in your bottom box to ensure it says 0 errors remaining, then save your project file immediately. Because sweeping away the broken lines can sometimes leave behind empty software gaps inside your active project file. Running this diagnostic tool patches up those holes and ensures your drawing layout look is safe from future glitches. Now your outside line cleanup setup is completely finished, and your workspace canvas will behave beautifully. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. To fix DGN Linetypes corrupting your DWG after import, you must first type -purge with a minus sign into your bottom bar. Then you type O and press Enter to select the Orphaned Data option from your screen canvas rows. Finally, you type Audit and choose Yes to fix any leftover file errors and save your clean drawing layout. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.